On the evening of the 19th of December, it was the first clear night for a long time, so I opened up the observatory. It was a cool night, around 0 degrees, but the air was moderately still. As I was doing planetary imaging, I was using the Skywatcher 200 PDS reflector. By the time I was set up, Venus was already very low in the sky, only around 6 degrees above the horizon. As a result, the seeing was very poor. I got a shaky video, only good enough to catch the phase, but no detail. I managed one capture before Venus was lost behind a tree. After Venus, I switched to Saturn. While it was higher in the sky, it was still only 23 degrees altitude, so once again, the sky conditions weren't great. I did a composite image with 2 exposures, one for Saturn and one for its moons. Jupiter was next, and just as I started capturing video, I noticed the shadow of Io on the left limb. I captured a number of videos as the moon and its shadow moved across the disk. Jupiter was around 48 degrees when I took this image and the sky was fairly steady. Mars was still a bit low, so I went indoors for a coffee. I came back out around 10:45, and Mars was at 35 degrees. I did some color captures first, which came out fairly well, showing some surface features and the polar ice cap. After the color, I switched to infrared, with the Astronomic 742 nanometer filter. That also gave some reasonable detail, even though Mars was almost 105 million kilometers away from the Earth. The moon had now risen and was at 22 degrees altitude. That was high enough for some short focal length imaging, but being still quite low, it wasn't so good at higher magnification. The first moon image was from the EvoStar ATED scope, at 600 mm focal length. I also did a 5-pane mosaic on the 200 PDS scope, seen here with each single pane. A short clip of one of the capture videos, and the final composition. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.